Hey traders, due to the elections next week, we'll be skipping US dollar and we'll not be trading any pairs related to USD. So here we have Aussie CAD. You can see that prices broke this ascending trend line, and we actually closed our positions because we do not want to hold over the weekends, and we'll see if market gives us a pullback onto this level before actually taking a shot towards the next support level over here. Next up, we have Aussie Yen. You can see that prices broke this level of structure, made a push face downside, and right now prices are just consolidating within this range over here. So typically, we look for a breakout on either direction. We can expect prices to break this level for trend continuation and find a potential short around this zone right here. Take a sell if prices forms a bearish pattern over here. Otherwise, if prices breaks the upside, we won't be taking this trade for the long position. Next, we have Aussie New Zealand. You can see that there is a clear downtrend over here, and we would like to see if prices is able to break this level over here. So you can see that there is this trend line, and there is this zone right here. So there are many opportunities we can take over here. You can see that if prices breaks this level, we get a pullback onto previous structure. We can actually long this and aim towards the next resistance level over here. Otherwise, we will break down over here and take a short position towards the downside. Next up, for the CADCHF, you can see that we have a zone here. So dropping down to the lower time frame, we have a clear trend line here. So prices barely broke out of this trend line, and we are looking for a clear breakout. So if prices can make a higher high prior to this level, we can actually take a long position with our stop loss below this level and aim for previous next structure over here. Next, we have CAD Yen. You can see that we have a structure here where prices are currently retesting this level, and dropping down to the lower time frame, you can see that there is a descending trend line right here. So this is a wedge pattern forming, and typically we look for downside breakout. So if prices can break this level, we can actually take a short position, stop loss above this structure, and aim for previous low over here. Next up, for EA, you can see that we have a trend line here. Prices rejected once, twice, and thrice. So now we are actually retesting this neckline structure. So dropping down to the lower time frame, prices broke the immediate trend line, made a push phase, and now forming a flag pattern out here. So we can actually buy here for those who are more aggressive. You can have a long position here, stop loss below the trend line, and you can aim for previous high, which gives you a 1:4 trade. Really good risk to reward here. But if you are a more conservative trader looking for confirmation, wait for prices to form a down bottom here and breaks out, then you can actually long here. Stop loss below the structure in this case and aim for previous high. You'll get 1:2 with a stronger confirmation. Next up, we have EURCAD. You can see that prices broke this ascending trend line as well as the support level, now turn resistance, and we're looking for a retest onto this structure. However, you can see that prices are actually sitting on a support right now, and this bounce may actually make a higher pullback towards either this trend line or this level. So we actually want to wait for a next breakdown over here, ensuring that it closes below this level, and we have a short here, stop loss above this level, and aim for previous low. over here. Next up, we have Pound Aussie. You can see that prices respected this ascending trend line, and we are actually looking for a long position here. So we can have a neckline structure here. Prices came back down, form a consolidation, and now broke out. So we have an immediate resistance level here, where prices failed to break through several times. And what we like to see would be a consolidation here, hopefully breaking out of this level. And with this, we'll be longing this pair. Stop loss below here, and aim for 1:1.5 or the next structure at this level here. Next up, we have NCAD. You can see that prices rejected this descending trend line, and we have a neckline structure here. So you can see that daily actually turned. Very nice bearish structure over here. And looking at the lower time frame, you can see that neckline structure has been broken. And we're looking for a pullback towards this level before shorting this pair. We can aim for this candle wick over here.